Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Like the Best. If you are a parent, guardian or hairstylist looking for easy and cute kids hairstyles for school, this video is for you. Today I will be showing you simple braid and bead hairstyles that are neat, long lasting and perfect for everyday school wear. If you love kids hairstyles, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. The first hairstyle is simple straight back cornrows with bead. It's very neat, low tension and perfect for young kids. You can style this with colorful bead and clear bead depend on school rules. These hairstyles can last 1 to 2 weeks with proper care. The next style is 2-bead ponytail. This hair is easy to make and very comfortable for kids. You can add bead at the end to make it playful and cute. It is great for active kids because the hairstyle is placed all day. This hairstyle is a crisscross braid style. It looks beautiful but is still simple enough for school. Parents love this style because it looks stylish without being too much. It is also a good protective hairstyle for natural hair. This next hairstyle is a braided bun. The hair is braided neatly and packed into 1 or 2 buns. These styles keep the hair away from the face and help it stay neat for longer. It's perfect for kids who don't like hair touching their face. This is side part braided hairstyle with bead. It's simple, cute and very popular right now. You can choose small bead for a neat look or colorful bead for a funny style. These hairstyles work well for school and special occasion. These are kids box braid made small and light so they are comfortable. Box braid are great because they protect the hair and reduce daily styling. Always make sure the braid are not too tight to protect the child edge. Hair care tips to keep kids hairstyles neat. We have moisturize the hair regularly. One, we have to use a satin bonnet or scarf at night. We have three, avoid tight braiding. We have four, don't keep the style for too long. Healthy hair is more important than any styles. I hope you enjoy this easy and cute kids hairstyles for school. Let me know in the comments which hairstyle is your favorite. If you want more kids hairstyles, braid with bead or step-by-step tutorial, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.